The road to affiliate marketing success can seem like a labyrinth, especially if you are just getting started. The path might appear unclear, but it doesn't have to be. This video will serve as your North Star, lighting up the route from zero to your first affiliate sale. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's address a question that's probably on your mind. Why should you care about affiliate marketing? In today's digital age, affiliate marketing stands out as one of the most accessible and potentially lucrative online ventures. It allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products without having to create your own. Plus, it offers the flexibility of working from anywhere in the world and setting your own hours. And the best part? You don't need to invest any money to get started. You need is a device with an internet connection and some basic knowledge of how to use it. So if you're looking for a way to make passive income, work remotely, or just have some extra spending money, affiliate marketing might be worth looking into. Now let us dive into our step-by-step guide to help you get started on your affiliate marketing journey. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button below to stay updated with all our latest tips and tricks. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your affiliate marketing success. Ideally, you want to select a niche that you are genuinely interested in. That way you will be more motivated to learn about the products and services in that space and promote them effectively. But how do you know which niche to choose? Well, one way is to consider your hobbies and passions. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Do you love gaming, fitness, or fashion? These could be potential niches for you. Another approach is to look at current trends and see what people are talking about. You could use social media listening tools to identify trending topics in your area of interest. Once you have a few niches in mind, it's time to do some research. Look at the competition and see how difficult it would be to rank in search engines for certain keywords. You also want to ensure there is an audience for your chosen niche, and that people are actively searching for products and services related to it. By taking the time to research and select the right niche, you set yourself up for success in affiliate marketing. Remember, it's essential to choose something you are passionate about, so you stay motivated and engaged throughout your journey. Step 2. Build your email list. Building an email list is a powerful way to connect with your audience and promote products directly to them. When done correctly, it can be a highly effective way to increase sales and generate revenue. So how do you start building your email list? One way is to create valuable content that encourages people to sign up. This could be in the form of a lead magnet, such as an ebook or checklist, which provides helpful information related to your niche that people are willing to exchange their email address for. You can also use pop-up forms or embedded sign-up buttons on your website or social media channels to encourage people to join your list. Once you have an email list, it is essential to segment your subscribers based on their interests and behaviors. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails that are more likely to convert. You can use email marketing platforms to create segments and automate your email campaigns. By building an email list and implementing these strategies, you can create a direct line of communication with your audience and effectively promote products while providing value. Step 3. Create content that provides value. Creating valuable content is essential for affiliate marketing success. By providing helpful and informative content, you establish yourself as a trusted resource in your niche, which leads to increased credibility and customer loyalty. But what exactly does valuable content entail? Well, it depends on your niche and target audience. For example, if you are in the fitness niche, you may want to create workout routines and healthy eating guides. On the other hand, if you are in the travel niche, you may want to create destination guides and travel tips. To determine what type of content would be most valuable to your audience, conduct research through surveys, polls, or by analyzing your competitors' content. Once you have identified the type of content your audience wants, it is important to ensure that it is high quality, well-researched, and engaging. Use visuals, such as images and videos, to break up text and make your content more visually appealing. By creating valuable content, you will establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with your audience, ultimately leading to increased sales and commissions. Step 4. Join affiliate programs. Joining affiliate programs is a great way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. There are many different programs available, so it's important to do your research and find the ones that align with your niche and target audience. One way to find affiliate programs is to search online for companies in your niche that offer an affiliate program. You can also use affiliate marketplaces like CJ Affiliates and ClickBank to find a variety of different programs to promote. Once you have found a program that interests you, it's important to carefully review the terms and conditions to ensure that they align with your values and goals. Look for programs that offer high commission rates, timely payments, and a good reputation. Once you have joined a program, it's important to familiarize yourself with the guidelines and best practices. Each program will have its own set of rules and regulations that you must follow to ensure that you are promoting their products effectively. Take the time to read through the guidelines and make sure you understand them before you start promoting any products. By following these steps, you can find the right affiliate programs to promote and start earning commissions today. Step 5. Monitor and analyze your results. Monitoring and analyzing your results is crucial for the success of your affiliate marketing campaign. By tracking your progress, you can identify what is working and what needs improvement, ultimately leading to higher commissions and increased earnings. One way to monitor your results is to use analytics tools such as Google Analytics. This tool can provide insights into website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates, allowing you to see how effective your promotions are. You can also use affiliate dashboards provided by affiliate programs to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Another way to analyze your results is to run A/B tests on your promotions. By testing different variations of your promotions, you can see what resonates best with your audience and leads to higher engagement and conversions. You can test different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what works best. By taking the time to monitor and analyze your results, you can make data-driven decisions that improve your affiliate marketing campaign and maximize your earning potential. Step 6. Be patient. Being patient is essential for affiliate marketing success. It takes time to build a strong foundation, establish an audience, and drive traffic to your website or social media channels. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Instead, focus on making small improvements every day and be persistent in your efforts. Building a successful affiliate marketing business requires patience, persistence, and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep learning, keep improving, and be patient. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to help you get started with affiliate marketing. It's important to remember that each step is crucial for success. Don't rush the process. Take the time to do it right. By following these steps, you will be on your way to earning commissions and building a sustainable income stream through affiliate marketing. We wish you the best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Do you want to forget to hit the like button below to stay up to date with all our latest tips and tricks? Thanks for watching.